Comparison to other heart rate monitors. To provide a more comprehensive review of the Garmin Forerunner 945, it's important to compare it to other heart rate monitors in its class. One heart rate monitor that is often compared to the Forerunner 945 is the Polar Vantage V2. Both devices are similarly priced and offer a range of features suitable for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. The Polar Vantage V2 also includes GPS capabilities, as well as a range of other features such as sleep tracking, recovery tracking, and more. One key difference between the two devices is their battery life. While the Forerunner 945 can last up to 2 weeks in smartwatch mode, the Polar Vantage V2 has a battery life of up to 40 hours in GPS mode. This may be an important consideration for users who need a heart rate monitor with long battery life. Another difference between the two devices is their heart rate monitoring technology. While the Forerunner 945 uses Garmin's Elevate technology, the Polar Vantage V2 uses Polar's Precision Prime technology. Both technologies are highly accurate, but some users may prefer one over the other. Overall, both the Garmin Forerunner 945 and the Polar Vantage V2 are excellent heart rate monitors that offer a range of features suitable for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. While the Forerunner 945 may be slightly more expensive, its impressive battery life and user-friendly design make it an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable and feature-rich heart rate monitor. Compatibility. One important consideration when evaluating heart rate monitors is their compatibility with other devices and apps. The Garmin Forerunner 945 is compatible with a range of devices and apps, including smartphones, tablets, and computers. This allows you to easily sync your data and track your progress over time. The device is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, and can be used with the Garmin Connect app, which provides detailed insights into your workouts and progress. The app also allows you to connect with other users, join challenges, and share your progress on social media. In addition to the Garmin Connect app, the Forerunner 945 is also compatible with a range of other apps and services, such as Strava, MyFitnessPal, and more. This makes it easy to track your progress across multiple platforms and devices. Durability. Another important consideration when evaluating heart rate monitors is their durability. The Garmin Forerunner 945 is a highly durable device, with a rugged design that is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor activities. The device is water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming and other aquatic activities. It is also shock-resistant, and can withstand impacts and drops without sustaining damage. Customer support. Finally, when evaluating heart rate monitors, it's important to consider the level of customer support provided by the manufacturer. Garmin is known for its excellent customer support, with a range of resources available to help customers troubleshoot issues and get the most out of their devices. The company offers a range of support options, including online resources, phone and email support, and a community forum where users can connect with each other and share tips and advice. Potential improvements. While the Garmin Forerunner 945 is an excellent heart rate monitor, there are a few potential improvements that could be made to the device. One potential improvement would be to reduce the size of the device, to make it more comfortable for users with smaller wrists.